Good morning, everyone. How are you? I'm good too. Okay, so let's check our homework. John, what is the answer to question 1? Anne, question 2? Tom, question 3? Helen, question 4? Jake, question 5? Almost is a little bit hard. There's a little bit of an error. Can you try again? Who can help Jake? Good job, everyone. I want you to raise your hand if you found question 1 hard. Question 2. Question 3. Question 4. Question 5. Okay, so question 5 was a little bit tricky, but good job, everyone. Okay, so get out your key vocabulary sheets. With your neighbor, I want you to take turns and explain the definition in your own words. I'm going to give you 5 minutes. Okay, so today's class is about waterfalls. So let's brainstorm. Okay, so get your books and your pens. So in the middle of your book, write waterfalls. Okay, so we're going to brainstorm. Lots of ideas. So, do you know any famous waterfalls? How do you think they're formed? What features are there? And can you suggest reasons why those features are there? Time's up. Okay, I want you to shout out your ideas. Niagara Falls, one of the 7 wonders of the world. How is that formed? Erosion. Erosion of what? Rocks. So there's hard rocks and soft rocks. What happens to those rocks? They fall down, and this makes a plunge pool. What else is happening? And this forms a gorge. Good job, everyone. Let's look at this picture of the waterfall. Okay, first arrow, what is it? Good job. Hard rock. This one? Soft rock. Fallen rocks. This one here. Waterfall. Gorge and plunge pool. Good job. So let's look at some definitions. This rock is more difficult to erode, so wears away more slowly. What is it? Hard rock. A steep-sided valley cut by a waterfall. Where the water tumbles over... Wait for me to finish reading. Then answer. Where the water tumbles over the edge of the rock. Well done, waterfall. When the overhanging rock gets too weak, it falls into the plunge pool. Fallen rocks. The deep water at the base of the waterfall. Plunge pool. Okay, last one. This is easier to erode, so wears away faster. Soft rock. Okay, make any notes if you want to. I'll just give you 1 minute. So we're going to watch a video on waterfall formation. So I want you to all watch carefully and make any notes. No talking. What happened in the video? Hands up. No one? Danny, tell me what happened in the video. Almost. Can you try again? Okay, does everyone agree? Alex, why don't you agree? What's wrong? Can you tell us the correct answer, the correct sequence? Does everyone agree that's the correct sequence? Okay, good effort, everyone. So let's look at how waterfalls are formed. So we have 4 stages. Waterfalls occur when rivers flow over different types of rock. The soft rock wears away faster than the hard rock. In time, a step develops over which the river plunges as a waterfall. Water also cuts away behind the waterfall. This causes the fall to move back and leave a gorge as it goes. Okay, I'm just going to give you 1 more minute to have a look at the pictures. Okay. So with your neighbor on your left, I want you to work together and fill in the blanks. I'm going to give you 5 minutes. Okay, 1 minute left. Okay, time's up. I want you to read the answers together. Okay, what's A? 1, 2, 3. Falling. Okay, B. C. D. Okay, good job. Now, I want you to fill in the title and put this into the correct sequence, but with your neighbor on your right. I'll give you 5 minutes again. 1 minute left. Time's up. So what's the first stage? A. And what label goes with A? Which picture is B? Which label goes with B? Which picture is C? Which label goes with C? Okay, last one. So last picture is D. And let's read the last one together. Okay, good job. So we're going to do an activity in your teams. So we're going to spot the mistakes. So write down the mistakes in your books. And then together, you're going to write a summary about how a waterfall is formed. So everyone should have this summary written in their books. We're going to present your summary to the class at the end by reading together. So I'm going to give you 15 minutes. Are there any questions with this activity? Okay. Five minutes left. One minute left. Okay, pens down. Go back to your seats. Okay, team 1, tell me one mistake. Team 2, one mistake. Team 3, one mistake. Team 4, one mistake. Team 5, one mistake. Okay, Team 6. No problem. Who can help Team 6? Last one. Let's shout together. Well done. Team 6, fill in the last answer. Everyone check your answers. Okay, so now Okay, let's check the final understanding. Look at this picture. It's a waterfall. Using the terms today, fill in the blank. Okay, so in your books, A, B, C, D, E, F. I'm just going to give you 3 minutes. Are you already finished? Okay, let's go through the answers together. What's A? B? C? D? E? F? Hands up if it was really easy. Oh, good job. Okay, so homework. It's very easy homework. Okay, so I'm going to give you a worksheet. I want you to finish this at home. Also, I want you to learn the key terms, the definitions of the key term for next week's pop quiz. So we have hard rock, soft rock, gorge, waterfall, plunge pool, fallen rocks. And I'll see you next lesson. Okay, goodbye.